Hi guys, I'm with my student William. William,
Hello.
nice
I'm
to meet you
William
again.
So
William, you have done our course on crypto trading. So would you like to share your experience about the program? When did you do the program, and how much profits you have made so far?
okay. I started joining Kishore's program since January 2026, and last week I total have made about $1,200.
Amazing.
So this is my breakthrough, first time.
And what did you learn in the program?
I learned a lot from Kishore, how to really trade as he explained using the heat map, all this. So you follow closely on his advice, and you will make money.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the very best, and hope to see you make more and more profits.
Yeah, thank you very much.
All right.